All right, guys, good morning. So it's springtime here in Florida, and in spring, what do we do in spring, Gavin?
Mulberry season!
Hey, so yeah, like Gavin said, mulberries is definitely something to be excited about. I have some really awesome childhood memories of gorging on the mulberry tree down the road, and we've got lots of stuff coming in here in spring, but this video is kind of specific to mulberries. We grow about 10 different varieties here on the farm. They're all quite delicious, and we do have some favorites, so I wanted to show you guys what was growing on. This is actually a large wall of different varieties of mulberries, and this wall travels the entire length of my market garden coming in, and you can kind of see the different leaf varieties. So this is a larger variety. This is the everbearing. It has a little bit of a smaller fruit. Whoa, dude, you getting some fruits? Oh, you're getting stained up. I love it. Hey, you're not intentionally supposed to put it on your face, silly. Put them in your mouth.
I'm doing the fiercest warrior of mulberries.
Are you the mulberry warrior?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. What a ham. So I'm seeing all types of ripe ones up here. Right now is about the time where I should come out with the bowl, and we will bag and freeze some of these because there's no way we could just eat them all fresh quick enough. Gavin, now you're supposed to be feeding me. Are you been picking mulberries? You just eating them all?
I'm looking.
You're looking? Oh, look up here.
I got you some, Dad.
Whoa, you got me some.
A lot of big ones over that way. We
What?
can get ahead towards.
What? Whoa. All right, let me see. Thanks, buddy.
And they're really good.
All right, let's go towards the big ones at the end.
And long ones. Don't forget the long ones over there. We're
Gavin, now you've eaten a lot of fruits. What would you describe the flavor of a mulberry as? What does it remind you of? Any other fruits for the other kids watching?
It's kind of like a blueberry.
You gotta look at me when you talk.
It's kind of like a blueberry, and it's like
A blueberry raspberry, right?
ish, yeah. It's like a lemon a little bit in that blueberry.
Oh, lemon.
This is sometimes they got different.
So maybe what
flavors.
Gavin's talking about is if you don't actually eat them ripe enough, they do have a little bit of a sour flavor to them.
Oh, here we go.
Typically, though, they're extremely sweet. I don't know what I could use to describe the flavor of a mulberry other than just a very sweet fruit combination of, like Gavin said, blueberry, raspberry, kind of trifecta.
So you can even find them right here. The one problem is the stink bugs that get on the mulberries and make them taste weird, like funky kind of taste, and also they eat them. So if you look back here, we have 2 big mulberries, 4, 5, we got many back here.
Where? Show me. Oh, I see them.
Look at these 2 big ones. Look at this big one.
Oh, okay.
And then we got more.
Pull them out, Gav. Show them to us.
That's 5 right there with just one hand.
Score.
Just grabbing them.
So Gavin did point out something that I almost forgot about. Stink bugs do taste disgusting, and they tend to like leave a little residue on the fruit. So every once in a while, you kind of get one that tastes funny. I've actually accidentally eaten a stink bug, and that definitely was not a very pleasurable experience, to say the least. So that one was not stink bugged. Not very common, but you do get a couple like that from time to time, don't you, Gav? Whoa, are you sharing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Let's keep going down here, bud.
Are these white ones? Or are those just not ripe? Because we do have white ones that are ripe right now.
Oh, you wanna know where the white ones are?
Oh, yeah.
They're out here in the middle, you know that? Go ahead, let's cut through, you can.
Okay, let's go find these white mulberries.
So out here in the center, we have a bit of a fig garden. And going towards the north end of our market garden, we've got peaches coming on. Really close, Gav. We'll be eating peaches here before you know it.
Yeah, but I like figs a lot. I want them.
You like the figs a lot?
Yeah, they're really good.
I'm excited about the persimmons. You're excited about the figs. And here's those peaches. Whoa. Definitely.
They're not ripe yet.
No?
No, but they will taste good as soon as they are. Look at all these peaches.
It's Peachville?
Yep. We're coming up on the white mulberries.
White mulberry, that one's got some black ones on it. The next one's the white though. Okay.
But I still like this one. This is one of my favorite varieties because it's like It tastes different than the ones over there, and it's also like very sweeter. Like,
It's a little more unique in flavor, huh?
yeah.
Okay.
It's not right.
I know, I was gonna say, I just had to kind of pull that one. I wasn't ready yet.
So, these are the white ones.
These are the white ones?
And let's see if we can find any. So
right
there's
here,
a
right
little
here.
white one
Right here.
right there.
Show it to people, Gavin.
And they taste very good, sugary, like sugar apple.
You like the purple ones better, though?
Mm-mm.
You like the white better?
I like this variety better than this one.
The big purple one, then. Yeah, this is the Astero Giant over here
Yeah.
next to us.
But
Gavin's
this is
talking
my
about
second
this guy.
favorite. This is my second favorite, the white one.
Really? What about the Pakistani?
Oh, those are good, but they're probably one of my least favorite.
Whoa, all right, guys. So, white mulberries. Probably not my second favorite, like Gavin said, but they're up there. They're pretty good. We grow about 12 different varieties here. We grow a giant, a Peruvian, an Astero, a Pakistani. Like literally, I've got so many varieties, I've kind of lost count out here. My favorite ones are probably the giant and the Peruvian, though. And then the Pakistani just takes the cake because it has such a large fruit.
I forgot to show them the big fat ones.
You got some big fat ones over here? Let's go.
They're usually at the end of the fence, and they're really, really good.
Mmm.
And they're like the juicy, sugary tasting ones.
Mmm.
It's kind of like a Zevia. Like if you guys
Zevia?
know. It's kind of like a Zevia.
So Gavin's talking about the sodas we drink. We don't drink regular soda in our house. We use
0G sugars.
0G sugars, stevia sweetened sodas. So we do try to avoid the regular sugar sweetened sodas in the house, and he's comparing it to the sweetness of the stevia sweetened. Ooh, whoa, look, somebody was eating. Somebody left one here on the fence, Gav. What are you gonna do?
There's probably ants.
Well, there's some big ones up in there. Grab them, grab them.
That's nothing, that's nothing.
That's nothing.
Come here.
Whoa, whoa, I got a triple grab right here, dude.
There's 1,000 right here. Come look through here. Come look through here. There's 1,000. There's 1,000. Oh my God, guys. Look. So, this is what's growing on.
What's going on?
Well,
You mean what's ripening?
oh, stink bug right there.
I see the stink bug, so that's what Gavin was talking about. This little guy right here,
And they
which
kind of look like leaves, so you don't know if it's actually a stink bug or not, because it looks like it's just curled up and it's called. This one's actually kind of bigger than that one.
what?
Right here. This one's way bigger than that one. Come here. See that? Through there, right there.
Whoa!
Stink bug. I mean, they look cool, but they're also bad.
So this one, I have to be honest, Gavin, it's probably one of my favorites on the farm.
because they're big, juicy, and good.
Pretty good?
It's not like all of them, because you can literally just lick it off the stem of it, like right off of it, because some of them aren't like that, and you have to chew it off and like get the little bit of the stem in there. But the stem's fine. It's probably good for you if you eat the stem with it, and it's still good. The stem doesn't do anything to you, and it's still good.
Yeah, like Gavin said, you can eat the stem, or you could kind of just pull it off of there like a corn on the cob. I normally bite it off right at the top of the fruit, but if you want to get crazy,
Let's cook mulberries.
you can actually pull it right off of that whole stem. But
I wanna
the stem
eat
is edible and fine.
I'm gonna eat like a corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob. Are they good?
Yeah, they're really
Gavin, I mean, I'm seeing black dots all the way down this line.
like,
Are those all ripe fruits?
yeah, they're all ripe.
No way.
So we got the biggest one I've probably ever had. Look at how big that is.
What? All right, tear it up. Are you wearing mulberry war paint on your face? Hey, hey.
Here's just water for mulberries.
All right, so we could literally sit out here and gorge on mulberries all day. Life is pretty good around the farm right now. We've got all different varieties coming in, all different
Also,
shapes.
they're known for morning, lunch, and dinner eating.
Oh, they are?
Hmm.
Well, when do you prefer them most?
Morning.
Morning, okay.
So like breakfast, you eat these. Just come out here with a bowl. You pick 1,000 of them, pin them on the table, and then just eat them. You can also eat them with your cereal, which tastes kind of good, to be honest.
So Gavin's definitely not joking there. Last week, remember when you were having some cereal?
Yeah. So he.
I'm probably stained up here too, so we're gonna be a mess in this video, guys. But
Fine, tell them the story.
well, I think I could tell it. But if you want to tell it, you can tell it. Go for it.
So what happened was I was in the morning. I was eating my cereal. So he came up to sit right next to me, and he said, "Hey, Gavin, I like that cereal. I'm getting jealous here." So Mommy got him one, and he says, "Wait a minute." So he went outside to go pick some mulberries, and he put it on top of his cereal, and then I got jealous, and he ate the mulberries with the cereal, and I just, I wish I would have got the mulberries with it.
All right, so hope y'all pick that up. Next time your dad's sitting there and he says he's going out to pick up mulberries for his cereal for breakfast, you better join him. Right, Gav? Next time you better not let me go again by myself.
No.
Whoa. All right, so no lack of mulberries here. Gav, I say we go hit the Pakistani real quick and then we'll wrap up this awesome little video, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. You want to do that? Whoa, look at all those fruits in that spot. You want to hold the camera and see how many I can pull out of there really quick? Make sure you can see me through the lens, okay? All right? One. Dude. Y'all don't know. Don't get too close, buddy. So Gavin said, I've got mulberries all over my teeth, all over my hands. If y'all are watching this and you have fond memories of growing up eating mulberries, you know what I'm talking about. Who really cares? These things are great. All right, so if y'all are watching this video and you're like, oh, I really want to grow mulberries now, you know, do know that you can start mulberries fairly easy from a cutting. The everbearing variety definitely starts a lot easier. Giant isn't too bad, but when you start getting into the varieties like the white, the Peruvian, the Australian, the Pakistani, they are definitely a little bit harder. We tend to actually graft that one onto the everbearing rootstock. All right, let's see if we can find the Pakistani. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure? All right, let's check it out. The nursery girls are here today, doing some potting and some weeding.
So.
Whoa, I see a couple. Let's see if we can find the big boy though. All right, so this is our Pakistani mulberry. Kevin, where are they at? Show us one, show us one.
They're not that big, but we gotta find some bigger ones.
They're not that big.
Oh no, they're not that big. You guys can see they're up there.
Where is it, Gavin? Is it on this one?
No, yeah, it's on that one. It's on your left right there. You got it, Dad. You got it, Dad.
Whoa. So these are two mediocre Pakistani mulberries, and I've seen them all the way down to here. These ones get really big, and I'm gonna let Gavin eat one of these for you. But they don't need to be quite as dark as the giant or the Estero to be sweet.
Oh, looks like something bit in there.
And they have an interesting little flavor to them.
Looks like a candy cane.
Something bite into it?
Looks like a candy cane. Probably tastes like one. Let's see.
Mine tastes like it had a little stink bug on it. Hopefully yours doesn't.
Nope. It's good.
Oh, lucky you.
It's too good.
All right, guys. If y'all enjoyed me and Gavin gorging some mulberries here around the farm this morning, don't forget to give this video a like. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and pound that. And most importantly,